Another quality listing by Sabella Realty. Stop searching, this is the one that has everything you are looking for. Close to shopping, great schools, and it is nestled in your own private peaceful end unit on the first floor. It doesn't get much better than this 2-1 with a great room floor plan and large eat-in kitchen. This unit offers a designated parking spot with multiple guest spots right outside your front door. You and your guest can spend the weekend at the pool, children's park, or fitness center, which are just a short walk away. In addition, the community offers a tennis court that even an experienced player would appreciate. Set up your private showing today because this one won't last long.